What is up, everyone? Welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, my name is Dominic Barbado, author of Vending Revolution, How to Start and Grow Your Vending Business at Any Age. If you're interested in purchasing this book, you could hit the link in the description, or we're going to give it away for free. Comment down below that you want the book and something you learned from this video. As well, we're giving away 30 masks. So we know we all need masks because of what's going on with COVID-19. Bodomask.com, which stands for Buy One, Donate One, is an online website that when you purchase masks from their website, they're giving away masks to communities in need of masks or less fortunate people that do not have masks. I'm giving away 30 masks here on the channel. Stay tuned to the end so you make sure to be able to enter to win 30 masks. I do want to give them away to someone that maybe doesn't have masks, but anyone is able to enter for either the book or the masks. But in this video, as you saw by the title, how to land your first vending business location. All right, so I'm just going over 3 quick tips, trying to keep this video under 5 minutes for you guys. I know everyone's busy, everyone's trying to get their money, get their side hustle going. In this video, we're going over 3 tips. First tip, and this implies basically to in-person more so, but also to on the phone. When you're going in person, dress the part. Wear professional etiquette, wear business attire, wear something that says your business name on it, whether it be something like this. This obviously isn't my business. This is the National Bulk Vendors Association, but dress the part. You're selling a service, you need to act like you're the best service that you can offer to a business. If you go in with a mediocre attitude and a mediocre business mindset and mediocre business cards, you're gonna get mediocre results and you're gonna get continuous no's after no's. A big thing that I learned when you walk in, if you look good, if you act professional, even if you aren't just yet and you're just starting, people are going to take that as if you are professional. So even on the phone, act professional, sound professional, know what you're saying, know what you're doing. Second tip, have a business. Understand that you can't just go in pitching vending services. I think a lot of people go in and say, hey, do you want a vending machine, without pitching prior experience or prior knowledge. Whether you have the prior experience or knowledge, we have to start with one machine, obviously, whether it be honor boxes, bulk locations, or things like that. You want to get your feet wet in this business. I think so many people try to go to the top. So many people are like, I want a school location, I want a town location, I want, a laundromat, I want one of these big accounts. Well, you're not going to get a big account without first having a small one. So you have to start at the bottom with honor boxes, bulk machines. My suggestion are claw machines, and work your way up. This is how the business works. If you want to go right to the top, then this next tip, which I think will help you go right to the top, and it has helped me a lot with a lot of my business, is having a vending website. And as you'll see on the screen from Vending Business Solutions, a website that I do own, we offer a vending machine website package. So if you want to create a website for your business, if you want to have a website done for you, logo, everything like that, hosted for you, no issues, anything like that, you can hit that link in the description. You'll see it. We actually created a website for another vendor here from Miami. So the Miami area is we territory lock each website with a 200,000 person radius. So if you want a website, we'll create you a website professionally done with an awesome template. You'll have your products and everything that you can basically just show people when you're in person or when you're on the phone. Say, hey, do you have a minute? Can you check out our website? This is what we offer. This is what we do. This is the products that we offer that we put in our machine. It sounds professional. It's way more professional, and it also just puts you in a better position, saying that you have a better service than you already do. If you have a website, you're a professional. If you don't have a website, if you don't have a logo or a business card or a business phone number or a business email, you're not going to get that far in this business. Obviously, to get a big account where you're making $500, $600, $700 a month, the average vending machine makes $400 a month. To get those lower accounts is not hard, but to get those big accounts, to make a lot of money in this business, you really need to understand that it takes a lot, and you have to show a lot. You have to prove yourself, because these big companies aren't going to work with little companies. They want to work with big companies. And I think that's the biggest thing. I'm going to give one more tip, but quick shout out to Bodomask, BODOmask.com. Buy one, donate one. I think it's awesome. They have sponsored this video. They sent me some masks to give away. So I'm giving away 30 masks. Someone just comment down below anything interesting about the video and just hashtag BodoMask, and I will send you 30 masks. I'm just going to randomly pick, and as well with the book, just comment something interesting and say that you want the book, and I'll send these off to 2 awesome people here that follow this channel. I love all the support that I get on this channel. My last tip for you, if you're struggling to land vending locations, if you're struggling to start your vending business and you just, are tired of getting the no's, well, start small. Start with honor boxes, start with bulk machines, start with something where you're more likely to get a yes. You know, maybe it's 1 in 30 for a bulk account when you're walking in person. Maybe it's 1 in 3 when you're trying to get an honor box. Build up your confidence of getting no's, of getting yeses, and as you get more yeses, with the smaller, you can work up to the bigger accounts because you'll know what to say to people, who to talk to, and essentially how to do this business. And that's why I preach honor boxes so much, because if someone wants to jump into vending, it's not a smart idea to buy a $2,000, $3,000 machine, fill it up with $500 worth of product, put a credit card read on it. You're in the business for $3,000 already. You put it on a location, maybe it makes $50. You need to know what locations are good, who to speak to, where to put the machines, and things like that. So if you want to learn more, vendingbusinesssolutions.com, a lot of awesome stuff on there. Really appreciate everyone who watches this channel and all these videos. And yeah, make sure to check out Bodo Mass. They did sponsor this video. Thank you so much for what you're doing in the communities that are less fortunate. I really love that. And everyone just stay safe out there, stay healthy. A lot of crazy stuff going on, but you know, we all have each other. So let's stay together and let's keep growing our vending businesses. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.